Okay, are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Oh, now you see. See, just simple journal entries I am giving. Note down quickly. One is Ramya started business with rupees 50,000. Okay, started business with rupees 50,000. Second one, cash deposited in bank rupees 20,000. Withdrawn amount from bank for office use rupees 2,000. Next, fourth one, sales rupees 10,000. Next one, purchases rupees 6,000. That's all. These are the transactions that I mentioned. You please write the journal entry for them quickly.
Okay, sir.
Journal entries. Journal entries. Journal entries you can see. Serial date. Date. Particulars. See, this is date. If you have any doubts, you can verify. First one is cash account
Okay,
data, capital account.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
See, date simply I am mentioning 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay, sir.
So cash account data to capital account, that is 50,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, second one,
Bank account data to cash account.
here you know it. We have to write narration. In a bracket, you write narration. I am simply drawing line. Narration I told in your own words you can write. Business being started. So second one, cash deposited in a bank, 20,000 rupees. Means it is
Bank account data to cash.
to cash accounts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
is 20,000.
Completed, sir.
All 5 transactions completed.
Yes, sir.
Cash account. Okay, 20,000. Next, this one here is also 20,000. Okay, next one, third one, you tell me. What is the journal entry?
Drawings account debtor to cash account.
No, here again you made a mistake. It is not drawings, it is not for personal use, no? For office use, it is mentioned.
Okay, sir.
Personal use, he used means you have to mention the word drawings. It is for office use only. So, what it implies is cash account debtor to bank account. Okay, cash account debtor to bank account. Just reverse of the earlier transaction. See, earlier in the second date, you have deposited in a bank. On the third date, you have withdrawn from bank. Okay. See, how is your father? Let me speak with your father. Is he available in house?
No, sir, he went out. He's not.
Okay. Nice. So sales rupees 10,000. What is the journal entry?
Cash account debtor to sales account.
Sales. Correct. Next, fifth one and the last one is purchases. What is the journal entry?
Purchases account debtor to cash account.
Very good. Purchases account debtor to cash account. So that's all. These are the 5 journal entries. There are no doubts. No, only one mistake you made. That is
Yes.
okay. Only when personal use is there, you have to use the word drawings. Otherwise, cash account, bank account only will come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next. Now ledger. See, ledger is a book containing accounts. Okay. In a ledger, number of accounts will be there. ఓకే దీని తెలుగులో ఆవర్జ అంటాం ఆవర్జ అని అన్ని ఖాతాలు కలిపి ఆవర్జ అంటాం ఓకే సో we have to open account separately so first cash account we have to open okay so let's cash see what is the pro forma I mentioned insert table date particulars JF number amount is date particular JF number amount is so at the top what we have to write here
Cash account.
oh left side top what we have to write
Debit.
oh we have to write not debit
Yes, sir.
DR you have to write and on the credit side you have to mention CR
CR. Yes.
okay now so first one date then particulars then I am just decreasing the size so date particulars then JF number I mentioned okay
Yes, sir.
then what is the next one amount rupees Okay, right. Now you see, first cash account debt are two capital account. Means all debit side items you will mention with two I mentioned. Did you remember?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
date, first date. So two capital account. See JF number, you leave it. After some more classes, I will tell you. So what is the amount that is given? 50,000.
Yes, sir.
50,000. Okay. Okay. Next one. Next you see. Bank account debtor to cash account. Means in cash account, bank will come on which side? On credit side it will come. Because
Yes,
you
sir.
see, clearly verified cash is on the credit side here in the journal
Credit
entry.
side.
So bank will appear on the credit side. Okay. So date is second date. Here what we have to write, I mentioned by bank account.
Yes, sir. Right.
By bank account. JF number you leave. Amount rupees, how many rupees is there? 20,000.
Sir, it
Yes,
is
please.
not bank account, sir.
Cash deposited in bank 20,000, no? Yes, any doubt? Yes, here it is there, no second transaction, you see, cash deposited
Yes,
in
sir.
bank 20,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. Then next one, withdrawn amount from bank for office use. This is 2,000. See, cash account, the journal entry is, you see here, cash account debtor to bank account. Means in cash account is debited. With which
Yes.
account? With the bank account.
Bank account.
So in cash account, we have to mention two bank accounts. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
the date, third date. So third date to bank account. So what is the amount?
2,000, sir.
2,000. Very good. 2,000. Are there any doubts up to now? You can ask me.
No, sir. No doubt.
Next. Next, fourth journal entry also cash came.
Yes, sir.
So that are two sales accounts. So cash account is debited with the sales account.
Yes, sir.
So debited, you are going to mention two sales accounts. Next date, that is fourth date. To sales account. Amount is, what is the amount?
10,000, sir.
Okay, 10,000. Okay, next. Fifth journal entry is purchases account debtor to cash account. Now you see, cash account is credited. So this
Sir.
account will appear on the credit side of cash account.
Okay, sir.
Okay, means by purchases account we have
By
to mention.
purchases. Yes, sir.
So the date is fifth date. So by purchases account. So the amount is, what is the amount?
6,000, sir.
6,000. See, up to here you have learnt how to write on debit side, how to write on credit side. Pro forma you have learnt. On debit side you have to start at the top left corner, you have to mention DR. On the credit side you have to mention as CR. Exactly 4 columns on the left side. See, this any account will be in T shape. Left side 4 columns, right side 4 columns will come. Whatever
Yes.
column come on left side, same columns will appear on the right side.
Right side.
Okay, total 8 columns will be there. This is what we have learned in the previous class. Now you see, what is the use, what is the benefit in preparing account means, see, you can, if you see this journal entries, you cannot say what is the cash balance in your organization. So for
Yes.
that purpose, you will prepare accounts. If you verify cash account, you can understand your cash balance. All transactions regarding one single account will be mentioned in a particular account. Okay, so now you can see, you can check which side is more, that side total you have to do first. Left side you see, right side you see, which side is more?
Left
This
side.
side amounts are here, these are right side amounts. Which side is more, we have to check and we have to do that total first. So which side is more?
Left side.
So left side is more. So left side amounts we have to tally first. Okay, left side you have to total it first.
Yes, sir.
So now you tell me what is the total.
2,000.
Just a minute. The total is 62,000. Is it correct? 50 plus 10
Yes,
plus
sir.
2. So the
62.
same 62,000 you bring it to this side. Okay. Whatever amount that is more, the same amount we have to bring it to opposite side.
Okay.
Same amount we have to bring it to right side. Okay. So now
Sir,
you see.
side
Yes, please.
total. Sir, but in credit side, total amount is 26,000.
Very less, very good, very good. That only I am telling you. Don't worry. Now you see the difference between the amounts we have to mention here. See the difference between these amounts we have to mention here. Did you understand? Means
Okay.
that is cash balance. It means these are cash receipts that we have. These are cash payments that we made. Balance amount we have to find out. That is going to be our cash, the organization. Okay. See, on
Okay,
this
sir.
part, how to do. I am doing, you have to also do like that. No calculator should be used. See, here 0 is there, here 0 is there, at the end 0 is there. See, 0 plus 0, how much?
0.
For 0, if you add how much, you will get 0?
0.
So that 0 you write here. Okay?
Okay, sir.
A second digit you take. 0 is here. 0 is here. 0 plus 0, how much?
0, sir.
0. Here at the end 0 we have to get. 0 plus how much will give you 0?
By adding
0.
0.
Okay. So I have written another 0. Okay. Third digit
Yes,
you come
sir.
to third. Here 0 is there. 0 is there. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus again another 0 makes it 0.
Yes, sir.
So 3 zeros at the end have come. Now you see the fourth digit. I have put comma. Now come to fourth digit. Now you see 0 plus 6. How much?
6, sir.
6 plus how much makes it 2? We want 2 here. 6 plus how much makes it 2?
6 minus 4.
No, no, no. You should not minus. You should add. And 2 should come. Think properly. To 6, you have to add certain amount. Okay? Certain digit you have to add. That should give you 2 at the end. What you will add? 6 plus 6 makes it 12.
Okay.
6 plus 6 makes it 12. Okay? In 12, 2 is here. At the end, 2 you can find. At the top, 1 you will carry forward to top. 6 plus 6 is 12.
Okay.
Right? 2 is already there in the answer. In a 12, 1 you will take to top. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now last digit you check. 1 plus 2, 3 is there. 3 plus how much makes it 6? We want 6.
3, sir.
Very good. So 36,000 is the cash balance in the organization.
Okay, sir.
You can cross check. So total 62,000 is there. Already we have spent how much amount? 26,000 we have spent. From 62, if you deduct 26, you will get 36. You can cross check. Did you understand? Okay.
Understood, sir.
Okay, right. So I am clearing. I will type here. Okay. So this is 36,000 we got, no? So 36,000. What we have to mention is, we have to mention it as by balance. We have to mention by balance carried down. C by D we have to write. C by D means you have to pronounce it as carried down. You will carry this amount to down to next month. It means at the end of each month you are going to balance. See, this is after 5th. Next date you should not write. 6th you should not write. What you should write is, we are suppose in the month of January. January month last date you have to mention. So I am mentioning in January 31 days are there. So I am mentioning 31.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand? So by looking into this account, you can clearly, easily say that we have a cash balance of 36,000 in our organization.
Yes,
So
sir.
that's the percentage over journal entry. By looking at the journal entry, you cannot tell what is the balance. You can accurately record the transactions. That's all. But exact balance, by looking at the journal entry, you cannot tell. But by looking at account, it will give you a summary of what has been done in the account during that time. Exactly, you can say what is the balance. So what we have to do is, here problem does not end, here account did not end. What we have to do is, this 36,000, we have to bring it to this side. Opposite side you have to bring. Okay. You mentioned is carried down. You are going to carry it down to next month. You will not throw that 36,000 on the road. That is amount you should not throw. Okay. So 36,000 you will put here, 36,000 you will mention. See, at the end of this total, you have to draw 2 lines down. 2 lines you have to draw. Here also 2 lines you draw. Okay. So 36,000 is our balance. So what we have to write is, see here, this side, what you mentioned, the month's last date you have mentioned. So here, you have to mention next month's first date you have to mention. Next month first date is after January, February 1st. What you have to write here is, to, what you will write, to balance brought down, we have to mention. See, this balance is brought down from the previous month. It means B by D you have to keep. B by D means brought down.
Okay, sir.
B by this amount you are carrying down to next month. This amount is brought down from previous month. It means. Did you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Right. Next account shall we do? So cash account is
Yes, sir.
finished. So next account is capital account we have. Cash account
Yes,
debt
sir.
are to capital account. So capital account, what I am doing, I am drawing lines immediately. Okay. Again, you know it. What is the pro forma? 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines we have to draw. Okay. Date, your particulars, then JF number, then amount rupees. The same date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees will be there. Okay. Now you see, date is number 1. Now you see, so capital account is, you verify the journal entry. Capital account is, what happened?
Credit.
Credited the cash account. So in capital account, cash account will appear on the credit side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So on the credit side, date is number 1. So by, you have to mention, I am decreasing the size. This also. So by cash account. What is the amount? 50,000.
50,000, sir.
Okay, 50,000. So that's all. Again, capital account did not come anywhere in the journal entries. You see, you check. Capital account only once it comes.
Only one,
Okay,
sir.
you print it out. So what we have to do, I mentioned. Which side is more? This side. This side amount is 0. This side only amount is there, 50,000. So right side only you are going to balance out first. So 50,000. So what I told, the same amount you are going to bring it to opposite side. 50,000. Okay. Now you can see.
Yes, sir.
What I mentioned, this month's last date, 31 you mentioned. So what do you have to mention? Just a minute. So here, to balance, what you are going to do, you are going to carry down the balance to next month.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the amount is, you can verify 50,000. Okay. So what do you have to mention? I mentioned, no, at the end of this, you have to draw 2 lines. At the down, you have to draw 2 lines. So here we are going to write 50,000. This is next month first date you have to mention. Next month first date is first March, first February. Okay. This is by side,
Okay,
by balance. What I mentioned, by balance brought down.
brought down.
This balance you are going to carry down to next month. So this amount is going to be brought down from this previous month.
Yes,
That
sir.
is what. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now next journal entry is, what is the journal entry? Next one is bank account.
Bank account.
Okay. So what I will do is, have you noted down this capital account? Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir. Noted.
So I am making it as bank account. So now you can see first journal entry, that is starting with the bank account. Bank account data to cash account it mentioned. So two side you can write two cash accounts. What is the date? The date is second date. What is the amount?
20,000.
Amount is 20,000. Okay, next again bank came where? On the third date bank came. Cash account data to bank account. So bank account is credited with which account? With the cash account.
Yes, sir. Cash.
So on the third date by cash accounts. What is the amount?
2,000.
2,000. Very good. 2,000. So which side is more? That side you have to tally first I mentioned.
Yes, sir. Left side.
Left side is more. 20,000. Same 20,000 you are going to take it this side. See properly what I am doing. Now you see. See from 20,000 if you deduct 2,000, what is the balance? From 20,000 if you deduct, if you lessen 2,000, what will be the balance?
18,000.
18,000 is our bank balance. Okay, bank is our asset. See, you know it. All assets show debit balance always. So
Yes,
because
sir.
real account principal debit what comes in. Okay, so if in bank account if debit balance is more means it implies we have balance. Suppose if in bank account if we have more credit balance means what it implies? We have to pay to bank. We have taken a loan from bank. Bank overdraft is
Yes,
there.
sir.
So, but here debit side only more amount is there. Means we have bank balance. Okay, so that amount is 18,000. So what we have to mention again? This month's last date you have to mention. So this month last date 31. So here it is by balance. What I mentioned carried down. Balance carried. I'm going to mention. Okay. So the same amount. What we are going to do? We are going to bring it to opposite side. So that is 18,000. Okay. So what I mentioned, next month starting date you have to mention. Next month starting 1st February. So this is Debit side means two you have to mention. Two balance brought down, but you should not pronounce it as B by D
Okay.
or B. It is not BD or cigarette. It is brought down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is not CD or DVD. It is carried down. You have to pronounce as carried down. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Like that. So then, see, like that for remaining accounts also we have to do ledger accounts. See here, up to now what we have done? Cash account we have
Cash
prepared.
account, capital account, bank account.
Bank account we have to prepare. Similarly, how many accounts are there? You see, you check once. Sales account is there, purchases account is there. Another two accounts
sir.
are there. For both of them, you prepare immediately.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. In the next class, we will meet.